Hey guys, I'm here for some Happy Mail unboxing, and I ordered this from Creations by Stacy. And if you know anything about me, I love horror and true crime, so I thought this fit me just perfect. And I will drop her link to her page. Girl, you really taped that one up. I'll drop the link to her page, so in case you want, she has different kinds of these over there. Well, how am I gonna get in that? Well, one thing about it, she sure taped her up. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Okay. There we go. Well, I thought. Okay. So, I'm excited for this. More tape. But if you don't know who she is, Creations by Stacy. She's my BFF, whether she wants to claim me or not. And there's what it says. It says it's either serial killer movies, which is me, or Christmas movies. We either slaying or slaying. It's like a sleigh. I love it. It's got little knives all over it. It's going to be my favorite cup. I thought my true crime one was, but I think this one's got it beat. And it comes with the straw. Wait, she put something else in here. Hand wash only. These can only be hand washed only. And she put me a little... This is her card, and I know it's backwards, but take a screenshot and then flip it. And then this is her QR code. If I can, I'll try to list that into the listing whenever I list it. Aw, that's so sweet. A little thank you. And keychain. It comes with this little straw and a little brush. Isn't it just the cutest? I can't wait to use it. I'm going to wash it. Look at it. It's so cute. I love it. So I'll link her down below. She does have an Etsy shop. And everything is Creations by Stacy. She's on Facebook. She's on TikTok. She has an Etsy. She has a YouTube. So the same name, Creations by Stacy. But Stacy is S-T-A-C-E-Y. S-T-A-C-E-Y. So I'll link it whenever I get all this posted and fixed. I love it, Stacy. I love it. Ah! Y'all have a great day.